You either you going label or independent with your shit, right?
Alright, so look, this the craziest shit, right? When I used to talk to all my homeboys about like getting signed and shit, that's like some shit a nigga always dream of. Like you getting signed to your favorite rapper label. Like me and all my homeboys, we fuck with Herbo.
Yeah.
We signed the 150 Dream Team. That shit was crazy. You feel me? Just think about it.
Yeah.
You feel me? Real nigga shit. Getting signed by one of your idols, like people you look up to, listen to every day type shit. But honestly, it's like if you don't know the industry type shit, signing ain't gonna be the smartest thing for you to do. You gotta know it yourself. Just having people around you, a manager, a financial advisor, you gotta know your own.